What's happening, people? Welcome back to another video. So we are just out of the shower from the gym and I am starting to see some nice price action. So ignore the shirtless body. Basically, I just thought I'd jump into this real quick in case it happens. What I'm looking at here on Euro is I am looking at shorts. So we basically have some nice daily bullish order flow. And within that bullish order flow, what I'm looking at is we have a daily order block. It's down here below. And what I'm looking for is price has now switched internally bearish. So I'm looking for price to target that bearish order block. And with that, we got nice 4-hour levels with 1 hour aligning bearish. So I'm going to look for a 15-minute confirmation off of this 1 hour fair value gap marked right there. So I'm just waiting for price to come back up. We can see it's kind of pushing at the moment. So let's see if we can get what we need before we short this down towards previous day low, as you can see there. And then we have some ATR levels as well that we can look at too. On the DAX, what we're seeing on the DAX here is purely daily bullish order flow. We've come into a daily low, which we failed to take. We failed to take a low on the daily. So we're playing basically the wick action from this to continue higher. So we are. I'll just show you actually on the daily time frame in case it's a little bit confusing. Let's take a look here. So this is the daily time frame, right? We can see we've literally started pumping after sweeping out these lows right here. We're starting to pump back up. Order flow is bullish. It's still intact. So I want to see price continue higher. 4 hour has switched bullish. 1 hour is bullish. We are now totally aligned. Can we get confirmation from this 1 hour key level right there? If we do, then great. I'm going to long it. So let's see what happens in the next maybe hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Let's see what happens and take it from there. So I'll update you guys when we get to the next bit. Okay, so EU is lining up quite nicely. Let's just see if we can now get the break below this low. I will be very, very, very open to trading EU. So let's bring that over there. I'll leave the DAX alone for now. Once it breaks that low, we get a close below. I'm going to get in. The whole point, what I want to see here is this fair value gap right here. I want to see it get inverted. But after it gets inverted, I need to see the close below that candle body low. Then it's an execution for me. So it'll look something like this, hopefully. And if we can get a nice, say, a 2 or would be absolutely amazing down to the ATR levels. That means we have to get past previous day low. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so that's a big push. We're going to close in about 35 seconds. If that's the thing, I won't be executing on that because I want to get as much of the range as possible. But what I will do is I'll place an order right next to the order block right here. Okay, and we are tagged in on that. So let's see how this trade plays out. And I'll get back to you guys whether we hit TP or not. Let's see what happens. Right, got a very, very, very heavy retracement there into the inverted 15-minute. Wasn't expecting it to be that deep. I was hoping to see it just come to the order block and then push down, or else create a little fair value gap and then possibly push down from it. We came all the way back to the inverted. Let's see what happens here. It's a bit freaky seeing that come in so quick, but let's see what happens. That is absolutely crazy that we were very close to get taken out break even. And I literally just logged it on my journal that it was a break even. Um, but we're still in. You know, I added a little bit more for spread. So let's see what happens. This is crazy. If it actually goes down, that'd be absolutely amazing. All management was good. Yeah, so that is it. Basically, TP has been hit. Eventually, took some time, but the fact is, we've hit TP, and that's all that matters. Yep. Excellent. Great. So that is trading. Welcome to trading. You never know what's going to happen. You can only follow your management plan, your trade plan, see what happens. How many hours literally went by since we entered this trade? We had 3.5 hours go by. And let's not talk about how long we waited for it to even set up. So that's trading in a nutshell. It takes time. I hope you guys enjoyed this live trade. And yeah, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know if you took the same trade as well. I'd say everyone's been looking at EU today, have you? Anyway, see you guys in the next one.